Hello, welcome to the Produce Aisle. I'm Lorene. I'm going to put on my business socks here and ask you this. If Pepsi found your music like on TikTok and wanted to use it for their next Super Bowl commercial, first of all, congratulations, that's great. But would you be ready to do that deal? So this is part one of this little music and business mini-series. I want you to have the possibility of making money with your music, even if it's not happening right now. It's not such a far off dream. And the way that the music industry is built sometimes seems intentionally frustrating and confusing for us, especially for creatives who we just want to make beautiful things and release them into the wild. So give me a high five by hitting that like button and let's get part one started. What is a song? In the business world, a song is actually divided into three parts. And no, I'm not talking about chorus, verse, bridge. I'm talking about composition, recording, and publishing. Each part of the song comes with different rights and royalties assigned to it, and depending on what your role was with the creation of the song, you may have all the rights, some of the rights, or none at all. So let's talk about each one. Number one, composition. Composition, think of this as the soul of the song. This includes the lyrics, the melody, the music, the things that make the song sound like that particular song, make that unique. There's no difference between lyrics and music when it comes to composition. It's the same. It's all songwriting. Regardless of what you wrote, you are a songwriter and you have songwriting rights to the piece. If you are collaborating on a song, co-writing a song, and you wish to remain friends and writing partners for the long run, I highly recommend even splits for the songwriting. And you want to get this down on a split sheet. We will talk about that later in another part. 2, recording, also known as the master recording. You want to think of this as the body of the song. So if the composition is the soul of the song, the master recording is the body of the song. It's that actual recording of the song. If you recorded a cover of Purple Rain, per se, you would own the master rights for that recording, your recording of Prince's Purple Rain. But Prince would own the composition rights, that soul of that song. That soul can get manifested in different bodies. When you're collaborating with your fellow songwriters, it's crucial to work out who will own the master recording and how that will be split. And you want to get the master recording splits written down and signed on your split sheet. 3, publishing. I won't go deep into this here because it's just easy to get in the weeds really quickly, but here's the cliff notes on publishing. Publishing is the administration and commercialization side of the song. Songwriting rights and publishing rights go hand in hand, but are not the same. The royalty stream for composition, the soul of the song, remember, it's actually cut in half. Half to the songwriter and half to the publisher. So if you don't have a publishing deal, and if you aren't self-published with your own vanity publishing entity, the doorway to half of your songwriting royalties is closed and will not flow to you. If you are signed with a publisher, they earn that royalty, as long as they're an active publisher, by trying to get your song out there for placements in shows, films, games, other prospects for placements. The too long didn't read version, the TLDR version is set up a publishing entity through your performing rights organization so that you can open up the channels to your publishing royalties. In review, a song is broken into 3 parts. Composition, that's the soul of the song and all the things that make that song unique. Master recording, that's the body of the song, the actual specific recording of the song. And the publishing, which is the admin part that confuses everyone except those who are making money with it. And make sure that you have a publishing entity in order to open the channels to those royalties so you too can make money from publishing. In part 2, we will talk about how songs actually can make money and what you need to do to make sure you can get it. Things like signing up for your PRO and getting your IPI number. Woo! So, I hope that was helpful and that you come out feeling more knowledgeable rather than more confused. I hope you have a wonderful whatever time of day it is for you, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.